Guys, yesterday we had a beautiful trading experience. We made a lot of profits both within the YouTube channel and also within the Telegram channel. I'm really happy we were able to achieve that. Okay. And it was very easy for us because we applied a simple strategy, which is a trend trading strategy. And it's as amazing as that. Okay. So that is why I always tell you learn this and you will save yourself a lot of time. For those that are having this custom made indicator, I realized that they even made more profit all through the night because the market kept on buying or selling depending on the assets they traded. Okay, so we made a lot of profits yesterday with the trend trading strategy, and we are really good with that. Okay, so guys, we will be checking out the market again today to see what is happening within the market and see how we can milk it more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's go straight into it right away. But before we do that, okay, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so let's check out what we are within the markets today. Okay, still using the trend trading strategy. Okay, and of course, I will be using my 3M trend milker indicator to do my analysis right from here. So if you are having, you can follow up with it. If you are not, just follow up with the analysis and you will get it right, or you join the Telegram channel for more information. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into it. Like I said yesterday, the market, the GainX 1200 market has been giving us this kind of movements, a kind of ranging movements. Okay, and it has been moving within one channel to another. Okay, so this time around, it got to this region, came back down, went back up, came back down again, you can see, and tried to go back up again. So it is targeting this region. So this is still buying, and you should be targeting this region. And let me bring this down a bit so that we can have it well placed. Okay, so it should be targeting this region before it will go back down again. So, and of course, if it goes down, then it should be within this range also, within this range to this range. Okay, so before it will go back up, that is if there is no breakout in between. Okay, so that is very, very important. So trade carefully because of the sideways trend that it is going. Okay, so this is GainX 999. Okay, we also made this particular asset yesterday. This actually got to this region, came back here yesterday. I told us something. In short, I even drew out a trend line indicating this, that it will come back to this region, go back there and went back up. Okay, so it didn't break out above the resistance zone. And I remember very well in the night when I analyzed the market, I said that it will come back to this trend. If it breaks out below it, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go back up again. Okay, but this time around it broke out below it, and definitely once there is a breakout like that, then you should target where the meeting point is, and you can see it got there successfully, even went below that. Okay, which is this region. Okay, so right now let's see if it will break out from here. If it break out from here, we have a loss to sweep around here. Okay, a lot of profits to sweep around here. Okay, just where we are seeing it. Okay, but we just need to break out from here. Once it breaks out from here and give us a confirmation, then definitely it should sell and be targeting this region, because this is having a lot of profit to take. Okay, so this is very, very important. That is if it breaks out from here. Okay, so now let's move on. PainX 1200 right now. You can see trend trading strategy is still doing its work. Okay, just the way we have seen it. This actually gave us an entry point at this point after giving us a change in direction of the market. Okay, and of course, if you follow the instructions, set a stop loss, and of course, and this will have given you a lot of profits just the way we are seeing this right now. You can see that's huge, guys. That's huge. Let's check out PainX 999. This is PainX 999. This had been an uptrend right from here. You can see this is the beauty of trend trading strategy. You can imagine you setting your system right from here, and it keeps on buying and buying and buying, and it is still buying. This is so huge, guys. So it broke out from the last resistance on which happened to this to be this, and of course to give us more buying opportunity. So this is a lot, guys. This is a lot, and it is still buying. So you can watch out for that. Let's check out this also. This is FX volume 80, okay, on 15-minute time frame. FX volume 80 had also been an uptrend for long, even though it got to this resistance zone and switched into a downtrend, but was unable to go further. It went back up to break out above this resistance zone to give us more buying experience. So this is still buying at the moment, okay. So you should watch out for that, except if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. That is when it will switch totally into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with. Okay, so as you can see, the trend trading strategy is still the strategy you should learn so that you can use it to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, I will be there to reply you. And I will also advise you to join the Telegram channel because more signals will be dropped here, and it is 100% free. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank